Taking cold showers has gained popularity in the mainstream in recent years thanks to people like Wim Hof, who have had great results and influence in teaching its benefits in the mainstream media, as well as evidence from research and studies showing that cold showers can be highly beneficial. However, often for all that said and why you should take cold showers, it's often harder to find tips to taking cold showers. Therefore, in this video we look to give you tips on how to take cold showers. Now, before we begin, I do want to stress that it's important to take precaution before you begin, seeking medical advice if necessary. Number 1. Start out warm. Some people, including myself, really enjoy the shock factor of going into a cold shower, as its invigorating effects can give an immediate burst of energy. However, it's also one of the biggest stumbling blocks to having cold showers for many, because the shock factor does take you out of your natural comfort zone. If you fit into this category but want to try out cold showers, consider trying a slower adaptation process, where you start with lukewarm water when you enter to feel comfortable and turn the temperature down during the shower. This can still have many, if not all, of the benefits of taking a cold shower from the start, but helps you ease in and adapt, making it a less stressful process. Number 2. Temperature. A question that's frequently asked. Many people wonder how cold a cold shower should be in order for it to have the benefits that they are known to have. Many think that because Wim Hof takes ice baths, it needs to be freezing cold in order to work and have the effects you hope it will. The reality is that a cold shower can be beneficial if it's under 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius, basically anything under room temperature. This is because while it's not freezing cold, it's still significantly cooler than an average person's body temperature, meaning the effects of the cold still take effect. Number 3. Breathe first. When you get into the cold, especially into cold water and it splashes onto you, what is your natural reaction? It's one of shock, right? Now, when you feel a shock to the system, the first and most prominent sensation you will feel is that you struggle to take a breath. This can lead to shock and make for an extremely difficult and uncomfortable experience, which is why breathing is fundamental when taking a cold shower. Wim Hof has set breathing exercises that are highly recommended to be done before taking a cold shower, which I highly recommend practicing to help you adjust more comfortably. Number 4. Stick it out. Our initial feeling when getting into the sensations of a cold shower is that we want to get out as quickly as possible, as the cold can be extremely uncomfortable. This is actually the worst thing you can do from a mindset perspective, as you will attach negative emotions and feelings to the act, not the beneficial. So rather than getting yourself into a struggle where you associate cold showers with struggling, try to set a short time limit, even just 2 to 3 minutes, to stay in, after which you can leave if you want to. The reason is, this pushes you to get past the initial discomfort and helps you reach a point of adaptation, giving you a greater chance of feeling the pleasure of the experience. Number 5. Start with your head. Usually the part of the body that feels most discomfort when entering cold water is your face, head and neck, so start with these first. The reason is, once you get past the hardest part with your first step, you set yourself up to ease into the cold shower with relative comfort afterwards. So once the shower is on, try putting your head in first before you enter with the rest of your body, as doing so will make the rest of the process significantly easier. Following which you'll soon find yourself embracing cold showers and all of the benefits that come with them. Are you thinking of taking cold showers or have begun doing so? Let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.